Medal of Honor is presented to an individual that have gone above and beyond the call of duty in combat.
The Medal of Honor to me means that I fought with a group of men in an unbelievably outnumbered situation.
I flew the lead aircraft all the time, and that's the one that gets shot because you're coming in at the front and they shoot the living hell out of the lead aircraft. I changed aircraft 6 times the day I got the award.
I use the medal to establish the fact that, hey, I have been there. I've been shot 4 times in combat. I had 240 Marines, and we walked back with very few.
I was praying to the one above to give me the strength because I'd been shot 30 times. My back was broke, my ribs were crushed. AK-47 round in my right leg. But I praying to the one above to give me the strength to go get my brothers, and he did.
We went in with 471 men. We came out with 37 under fire, and most of those that survived had been wounded, myself included.
It was truly a battle to the death, and we knew it. We accepted it. I even knew it and say, well, I'm not going to get out of this one.
I think about that day and the loss of my friends.
I would die for them. They know that. And I know they'd die for me. Because we almost did.
And some of them survived to live and actually wear the medal and tell about it. It's awe-inspiring, to say the least.
When I received the medal, it was still just a medal. My life changed that day. I took on a new life that I never expected to have. I was a farm boy from a farm country and farm community.
The weight of the Medal of Honor on the individual that holds it is immense.
Well, how much does the medal weigh? Well, I can tell you there's some days when it's just unbearable to pick it up.
I wear the medal for all the brave soldiers that I serve with, and I'm just so honored to be their representative.
The medal is weighed down with the exertions of better men than all of us.
There is no rank. I don't care if you're a general or you're a private. You're all recipients of that high honor.
But in the end, it's our way of keeping the stories of our guys that didn't come home alive.
I'm the caretaker, and I want to be there for the veterans. I want to educate the general public. I want to educate the general vets that we appreciate them, and we will not forget them.
I like people to remember me as a man of integrity, who always tried to do the right thing, even when nobody was looking.
I would like people to remember me as Jim. Jim Taylor, not Medal of Honor recipient. Jim Taylor, a father, a grandfather.
I came to realization one day when I received a letter in the mail. And I opened it up, didn't notice the address, didn't notice the name on the front, but I opened it and the letter went like this. My name's Austin, and you don't know me and I don't know you, but you saved my grandpa in 1969. Last week, my wife and I had a baby boy, and I get to celebrate Father's Day this Sunday because of you.
What I want people to remember about Jay Vargas is that Jay Vargas was Jay Vargas, just a humble guy.
I believe in my heart that the Medal of Honor represents love. because I'm not a brave man, but I did swim across that river and bring back my brothers. And it was because of the love in my heart for my fellow brothers that I did it.